In the world of vintage-inspired watches, we've seen countless reissues, but few as authentic as this. This is the Nivada Antarctic Glacier Vintage, a reborn explorer's watch that doesn't just look vintage, it is vintage. Before its 2018 revival, Nivada was one of Switzerland's proud but fallen watchmakers, another victim of the quartz crisis. Its Solothurn facility shut down in the late 70s, leaving behind piles of unused dials, cases, and movements, forgotten for decades. Fast forward to 2025. Deep in the archives of Scenic Watches, a small Swiss restoration workshop, time stood still. Inside a forgotten box, 18 untouched dials and ETA 2783 movements, preserved since the 1970s. Each of those recovered parts now lives on in the Antarctic Glacier Vintage, a 35mm stainless steel explorer's watch with an unmistakable retro soul. The dials, slightly patented from time, feature a cool gray-blue ring, baton hour markers, and lume-filled Dauphine hands, all straight from the 1970s. Through the sapphire caseback, you'll see that vintage ETA 2783 automatic movement, ticking once again after 50 years of silence. It's a perfect blend of history and craftsmanship, a time capsule on your wrist. Because only 18 of these vintage sets were found, Nivada decided to go further, creating two new Antarctic Glacier models inspired by the same 1970s design. There's a 35mm hand-wound version powered by the Soprod P054, and a slightly larger 38mm automatic using the Soprod P024. Both versions feature the Antarctic's iconic gilded caseback medallion, a nod to the brand's original explorer spirit from the 1950s. The Antarctic Glacier Vintage is a true resurrection piece, not just inspired by history, but built from it. Only 18 pieces of the Deadstock edition exist, priced at $2,500, while the regular production models start at $1,095. The collection officially launches November 13th at 10 a.m. EST, and if you love real vintage authenticity, you'll want to be ready. From frozen archives to your wrist, this is Nivada Antarctic Glacier Vintage.